Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into managing a university student's course registration using AIRTABLE, the full 2025 guide. Step 1 is to sign into your AIRTABLE account and create a new base. This will be your primary workspace for course registration. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for your entire management process. Now that we've set up our base, step 2 is to create tables for each semester. Label them accordingly, like Fall 2025, Spring 2026, and so on. Having tables per semester helps us keep track of courses for each term separately and avoids confusion. Next up, create fields within each table for course code, course name, professor, credits, and schedule. This helps us because it organizes all the essential course details in one place, making it easy to reference when needed. The next step involves adding a status field with options like registered, waitlisted, completed, and dropped. The reason we do this is to keep track of the current condition of each course and keep it updated. After your tables and fields are set, step 4 is to link records between tables. For instance, link the course code from your Fall 2025 table to your Spring 2026 table if you're retaking or continuing a course. This matters because it ensures that the same course's details are consistent across semesters. Finally, use AIRTABLE's group view to sort courses by status. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This view clusters together all the courses based on their status, making it easier for you to visualize your academic progression. And there we have it. In 5 simple steps, you've organized your university course registration using AIRTABLE. This tool not only simplifies course management, but also gives you a clear overview of your academic journey. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.